Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Vijay and today I am going to teach you about pivot charts. As you can see on the screen, I have this data and I have converted this data into a graph, that is into a chart. So all the sales that are coming in are shown here where KPR, that is Kanpur, has this much sales, Multan has this much, and Rehmat Khan has this much. If you want to view it name-wise here, you can also display it name-wise, showing that these people were from KPR, these were from Multan, and these people were from RWK, and the highest sales were made by Fahim. In the same way, I have added another chart here, so you can also see the highest sale here. You can convert it like this as well. So today we are going to study in detail about pivot charts, about how we have used them. So for this, what I will do first is delete this data from here. I have this data here. Let's delete this as well. And let's also delete this here. You should have data like this. By practicing like this, you will be able to write this data in which I have written serial number, name, city, and amount. After that, you need to select all the data like this. After selecting, you need to go to insert and then go to pivot chart. After clicking on pivot chart, you need to click on pivot chart again. Now, as soon as we click on pivot chart, this dialog box for pivot chart opens in front of you. Now, whether you want to insert the pivot chart on a new worksheet or on this one, that's up to you. So, suppose we want to do it right here, then we need to click on the second command here, and after that, click here and specify the location where you want to add it. For example, if we want to add it to this cell and click OK, then the chart will appear here for you. By zooming out with the control key, we display it here. In this way, you can see that I have added the chart here. Now, after that, if we want to see the data city-wise, we will first click on city and then click on amount. So as you can see, the city is also being displayed here along with its amount and value. And here as well, you are being shown the total, for example, how much total sales you had from Kanpur, how much from Multan, or how much recovery was made from Rehmat Khan. And similarly, if you also want to display the data name-wise, then see here. These were the people from Kanpur, these were from Multan, and these were from RWK. The grand total comes to 594,300. After that, according to the chart, you can see that the people from Kanpur are being shown separately, those from Multan are shown separately, and those from Rehmat Khan are also shown separately. Along with that, whoever has the highest sales or recovery is also being displayed here. In the same way, if we want to convert this into another chart, you can press Ctrl D here, or you can click on it, and while holding Ctrl, create a separate copy of it. So as you can see, I have created a separate copy. Now after that, we are going to change it. So to change it, you need to go to Insert. After that, we need to go to pie chart here, insert pie chart. Then as you can see, we have different formats available. We can select any format from here and resize it. Now after that, when we make changes here, for example, if I remove city from here, then only name remains. If I remove name here, then only the cities remain. For example, here KPR is shown in blue, then Multan is shown in orange, and RWK is shown in gray. So in this way, you can display your chart from different angles as well. You can use these commands to create dashboards and similar things. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how you can insert a pivot chart using your data. I hope you definitely learned something new in today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.